Welcome to PC Mac. Today I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and update your Portainer to the latest version inside OpenMediaVault 5. So let's do it. First of all, let's just go ahead and open our OpenMediaVault. That's right here. And let's go ahead and open the open web, and I have already opened that. Let's just close it from here, and you can see our new version is available. So how we can go ahead and do that, an update on this version. It's right now on 1.23.1. So what you need to do is just go back to OpenMediaVault here, and then you just need to click here on Portainer and then click on install. Once you do that, it will start downloading the latest version of Portainer. It starts stopping the Portainer container and then removing the old version and installing the latest one. Once it's done, then we just need to go ahead and check the Portainer whether it's updated or not. The latest image is updated. The update image is like 10 hours ago. The release is, you can see, released this 10 hours ago. So the new version, that is 1.23.2, is the latest version and it's available to download. Now once it's done, you can see right here it's done. Then click on close, and once you go here and press enter to refresh the page and log in again, you can see that it's on 1.23.2. so you can see that 1.23.2, and by doing this the Portainer will be updated inside OpenMediaVault 5. So you can go ahead and do that on your build as well. This is the latest update, so just go ahead and do that. Thanks, bye bye, take care.